welcome back to SS Biology. Today we are going to discuss about role of kidney in acid-base balance. Kidney is the vital excretory organ. Apart from eliminating waste products of metabolism, kidney plays an important role in maintenance of acid-base balance by excreting hydrogen ion and retaining bicarbonate ions. Normally, urine is acidic in nature with a pH of 4.5 to 6. Metabolic activities in the body produce large quantity of acids, which means lots of hydrogen ions, which threaten to push the body toward acidosis. So our body needs some mechanism to prevent this acidosis. So here are two ways to prevent acidosis. Number one is the reabsorption of bicarbonate ion, and second is secretion of hydrogen ion. Kidney plays an important role in preventing metabolic acidosis by excreting hydrogen ion. Excretion of hydrogen ion occurs by three mechanisms. Number one is bicarbonate mechanism, number two is phosphate mechanism, and the very last mechanism is ammonia mechanism. So here we are going to discuss about our very first mechanism of acid-base balance, which is bicarbonate mechanism. In the tubular cells, carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. It immediately dissociates into H plus and HCO3 minus, which is hydrogen ion and bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion from the tubular cell enters the interstitial fluid. Now, the hydrogen ion, which is generated by splitting up of carbonic acid, secreted from tubular cell to tubular lumen. Then, in exchange of hydrogen ion, sodium ion is antiported to tubular cell from tubular lumen by sodium hydrogen antiport pump. Then what happens? Sodium ion is absorbed to interstitial fluid from tubular cell under the influence of aldosterone, and bicarbonate ion combines with sodium ion and form sodium bicarbonate in interstitial fluid. So the sodium ion, which is antiported to tubular cell from tubular lumen in exchange of hydrogen ion, so what is its source? Sodium bicarbonate in tubular lumen splits up into sodium and bicarbonate ion. The sodium ion is antiported to tubular cell by sodium hydrogen antiport pump against hydrogen ion, and the hydrogen ion, which comes to tubular lumen, again combines with bicarbonate ion and form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid then again dissociates into carbon dioxide and water in presence of carbonic anhydrase, and again enters the tubular cell. Thus, for every hydrogen ion secreted into lumen of tubule, one bicarbonate ion is reabsorbed from the tubule. In this way, kidneys conserve bicarbonate ion. The absorption of filtered bicarbonate ion is an important factor in maintaining pH of the body fluids. Here, we are going to discuss about the second mechanism of acid-base balance, which is phosphate mechanism. Till this step, all the mechanisms are very similar to the first mechanism. But here, instead of sodium bicarbonate, disodium phosphate is dissociated in tubular lumen to produce sodium cation and sodium hydrogen phosphate anion. The sodium ion is antiported to the tubular cell by sodium hydrogen antiport pump against hydrogen ion. Sodium hydrogen phosphate combines with hydrogen ion and forms sodium dihydrogen phosphate, and it is excreted through urine. This makes urine acidic. This entire mechanism happens mainly in distal tubule and collecting duct because of the presence of large quantity of sodium hydrogen phosphate in these segments. Now we are going to discuss about our very last mechanism of acid-base balance, which is ammonium mechanism. Again, like the previous two mechanisms, till this step, the mechanism is very similar. Now what happens? In the tubular epithelial cells, ammonia is formed when the amino acid glutamine is converted into glutamic acid in the presence of the enzyme glutaminase. Ammonia is also formed by the deamination of some amino acids like glycine and alanine. Ammonia is formed in tubular cell is secreted into tubular lumen in exchange of sodium ion. Here it combines with hydrogen ion to form ammonium ion. The tubular cell membrane is not permeable to ammonium ion. Therefore, this ammonium ion remains in the lumen and then excreted into urine. Thus, hydrogen ion is added to urine in the form of ammonium compounds, resulting in acidification of urine. For each ammonium ion excreted, one bicarbonate ion is added to interstitial fluid. This process takes place mostly in proximal convoluted tubule. Thus, by excreting hydrogen ion and conserving bicarbonate ion, kidneys produce acidic urine and help to maintain acid-base balance of body fluids. So, this was the basic concept of role of kidney in acid-base balance. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe and share as well. And if you have any query regarding this video, feel free to ask. Our comment section is open. Thank you very much.